A version number just quietly vanished from XAI's menus. No announcement, no warning, it just disappeared without a trace. Hours later, one post from Elon Musk changed everything. Grok 4.5 is real. It's already testing right now behind closed doors, and the claims coming out of it are genuinely wild. Let me walk you through exactly what leaked, what's actually confirmed versus what's just talk, and the one detail buried at the very bottom of that post that matters way more than the model itself. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's exactly what happened. On June 28th, a version number quietly disappeared from XAI's product menus. That's it. No big rollout, no press release, no warning, just gone overnight. People who watch this stuff closely noticed almost immediately. A screenshot started circulating online, and a few hours later, Elon Musk posted about it directly and confirmed what people were already suspecting. Here's the short version of what he actually said. Grok 4.5 is now in private beta at SpaceX and Tesla, meaning it's not available to the public in any form right now. It's built on a brand new foundation model XAI is calling V9, which is reportedly sitting at 1.5 trillion parameters. They also added coding data from Cursor, which is a coding tool a huge number of developers use every single day, folded in as extra training. And Musk claims early tests show it performing close to, maybe even past, Claude Opus, one of the strongest models out right now. That's the entire leak. One vanished, number, one screenshot, one post, and a whole lot of speculation after it. Let's talk about why people reacted so strongly to this. First, the size. The version of Grok most people actually use today runs on roughly 500 billion parameters. This new model is reportedly 3 times that size. That's an enormous jump to make in a single release. Most AI labs make smaller, steady increases between versions. They don't usually triple the size overnight. XAI apparently just skipped straight past that gradual approach entirely. Second, the cursor connection. Since cursor is used by so many developers writing real, functional working code every single day, folding that data into Grok's training means the model is learning from actual coding behavior, instead of just theoretical examples. That's the kind of real world, high quality data most AI companies simply can't get their hands on, and it's aimed directly at making Grok noticeably stronger at coding tasks specifically, not just general reasoning. Now, let's talk about the claim getting the most attention, because this is the part where I really want you to slow down before you believe it. Musk said Grok 4.5 performs close to, maybe even past, Claude Opus. That sounds incredible on the surface, and it's the headline everyone's running with. But here's the catch. Nobody's talking about it enough. Those tests were run internally inside SpaceX and Tesla, and SpaceX owns XAI. So the people grading the model's performance work for the exact same company that built it. There's no outside referee here, no public benchmark, no independent third-party test that anyone outside the company can actually go verify for themselves. That doesn't automatically mean the claim is false. It might genuinely be that good. But right now, this is a company grading its own homework, and in AI, we've learned the hard way more than once that you wait for outside proof before you fully trust a headline like that. One developer who reportedly got early access said it felt similar to Opus in practice. That's a decent signal worth noting, but it's still one person's personal impression, not an actual measured, independent score. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. There's another piece of this worth breaking down properly, something Musk referred to as the Grok build harness. Here's what that actually means in plain terms. The model writes code, then it runs that code itself, checks whether it worked or whether it broke, and if it failed, it fixes the problem and tries again automatically over and over without a human stepping in each time. So Grok isn't just producing code that looks correct on paper, it's actually testing whether that code runs successfully in reality, pass or fail, no guessing involved anywhere in the process. And according to Musk, this entire system keeps improving every single day on its own. That's actually significant because most models get finalized and shipped as a fixed, unchanging version once training wraps up. This one is apparently still learning and adjusting even while it's being tested internally, which is a meaningfully different approach than what most labs are currently doing. Now, here's the part buried at the very bottom of the post that honestly matters more than the model itself. Musk said SpaceX plans to release brand new models trained completely from scratch every single month for the rest of the year. Not small updates, not minor patches, entirely new foundation models built from zero on a monthly schedule. That is not normal, not even close. Building a foundation model from scratch takes enormous computing power and a huge amount of time and resources. Most labs manage this maybe once or twice a year at the absolute most. Musk is claiming once a month. Will they actually pull that off? Genuinely unclear and worth staying skeptical about since XAI has missed self-imposed deadlines before. But even the plan alone tells you how aggressively they're trying to move right now, and it doesn't stop there either. There's already talk of a Grok 5 with versions reportedly reaching 60 trillion and even 10 trillion parameters, with multiple models apparently being trained simultaneously on their compute setup. So the real story here isn't just one model release, it's the sheer pace they're attempting to move at. Let me clear up a few things people are already getting wrong about this leak, because there's a lot of noise circulating around it right now. First, Grok 4.5 is not available to the public in any way. Right now, only SpaceX and Tesla have internal access. There is no app, no toggle, nothing. You can go try today, no matter how badly you want to. Second, it has not been proven better than Opus by anyone outside the company. That claim came entirely from Musk's own internal testing. No outside group has verified it yet. It could be true, it could be overstated, we simply don't know for certain. And third, the cursor coding data was added later during additional training. It wasn't built in from the very start of development. Even people close to the project have acknowledged that's a weaker approach than integrating it from day one, and apparently that's something they're already planning to fix in the next version. So this is a genuinely big step forward, but it's not the finished picture yet, not by a long shot. The story is exciting and the plan is bold, but the smart move right now is staying curious while staying skeptical at the same time. Watch for whether XAI actually publishes real, verifiable benchmark scores. Watch for whether outside groups get real access to test it independently. Watch for whether it shows up as a selectable model inside tools like Cursor, and watch closely for whether they actually deliver a brand new model next month, like they publicly claimed. Those four things will tell you whether this is real, sustained momentum, or just one loud announcement that fades out. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.